In this video, I show you how to automatically send Microsoft Forms responses to a Teams chat using Power Automate. In this example, we use a simple test form, and every time someone submits a response, the details are automatically sent as a message in a Teams chat. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open Power Automate and create a new flow. Go to Power Automate. Click on Create in the left menu and choose Automated Cloud Flow. Give your flow a name. Search for Microsoft Forms and select the trigger called when a new response is submitted, and click Create to add the trigger. Click on the Form ID field and select your form from the list. In this example, we select Test Form. Step 2. Add the Get Response Details action. Click on New Step and search for Microsoft Forms again. Add the action called Get Response Details. Set the Form ID to the same form you selected in the trigger. For the response ID, click in the field and select Response ID from the Dynamic Content panel. Step 4. Add the Post Message in a Chat or Channel action. Click on New Step and search for Microsoft Teams. Add the action called Post Message in a Chat or Channel. The first field you need to set is Post As. You have two options here. You can choose User, which means the message is sent from your own account. Or you can choose Flow Bot, which means the message is sent from an automated bot. For most notification flows, Flowbot is a clean and neutral choice. The next field is Post In. This is where you decide where the message is delivered. If you select Chat with Flowbot, the message goes directly to a specific person as a private chat. You then enter the recipient's email address in the recipient field. If you select Channel, the message is posted in a Teams channel instead. You then need to select the team and the channel from the drop-down. If you select Group Chat, the message is sent to an existing group chat. You then enter the group chat ID in the field that appears. In this example, we select Flowbot as Post As and Chat with Flowbot as Post In, so the message is delivered privately to one person. Step 5. Build the message with form response details. Click in the message field and type what you want to include. In this example, we use dynamic content from test form, which includes description, department, priority, responder's email, and submission time. Step 6. Save and test the flow. Click Save in the top right corner. Then click Test, choose Manually, and submit a response in your form. Go back to Power Automate and check if the flow ran successfully. Then open your Teams chat to confirm the message was delivered. You have now built a flow that automatically sends Microsoft Forms responses to a Teams chat using Power Automate. If this video helped you, please give it a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a new tutorial.